Welcome po dito sa ating channel ang Biyahe y Komida. July 31, 2026. Janine Gutierrez, ibinunyag ang hindi inaasahang dahilan kaya napunta kay Jericho Rosales. Habang naghahanda sina Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales na ipagdiwang ang kanilang ikalawang anibersaryo bilang magkasintahan, binalikan ng aktres kung paano nagsimula ang kanilang relasyon sa isang hindi inaasahang paraan at kung bakit naniniwala siyang nangyari ito sa tamang panahon. Sa panayam ni Kylie Verzosa sa Almost Honest Podcast, ibinahagi ni Janine na bago pa niya makilala si Jericho, nagsulat na siya ng listahan ng mga katangiang nais niyang taglayin ng kanyang magiging kapareha sa hinaharap. Ipinaliwanag niya na hindi niya ito ginawa upang agad na magkaroon ng relasyon, kundi upang paalalahanan ang kanyang sarili na huwag magsettle sa mas mababa kaysa sa nararapat para sa kanya. Super unexpected also that I'm with Echo. I mean, I never would have seen it coming. This is funny, but I wrote down a list of characteristics before of what I wanted my future partner to be like, and then when I met Echo, first time meeting him and hanging out with him alone, I said, oh my gosh, siya lahat to. So, feeling ko nag-work talaga yung like writing down, pagbabahagi ng aktres. Ipinagpatuloy ni Janine ang kanyang kwento at sinabi niyang hindi niya ito itinuring na simpleng pagkakataon lamang, kundi isang dasal na sinagot. I got to manifest, but not even to find someone right away. I just wrote down a list so I won't settle for any less, and then when I met him, I was like, wow, Jesus heard me, aniya. Bukod sa kanilang pag-iibigan, ibinahagi rin ni Janine ang kanyang karanasan sa pakikipagtrabaho kay Jericho sa serye ng Prime Video na The Loyalty Game. Ayon sa aktres, naging mas madali para sa kanya na iwanan ang mabibigat na emosyon na kinakailangan sa serye dahil kasama niya ang kanyang tunay na nobyo. Working with him is super fun kasi we were able to shake off the heaviness of the story when it's packed up. Or when it is a rest day, we go somewhere to eat or pasyal lang or drive around Iloilo, which super ganda ng Iloilo by the way and Bacolod, kwento niya. Dagdag pa niya, so at least there's a balance because I think if I wasn't doing this project with him, sobrang much harder, super bigat and I am glad that we are so lucky that we got to work together so I am so grateful for that, paliwanag ni Janine. Inihayag din ng aktres na nanatiling propesyonal ang kanilang samahan habang magkasama silang nagtatrabaho. Ayon sa kanya, hindi pa sila nagkaroon ng hindi pagkakaunawaan na nakaapekto sa kanilang trabaho sa set. Luckily we never had a fight that crossed over to work and like this whole The Loyalty Game, wala naman kaming fight. Actually, we don't really fight. So it never came to a point na parang di kami nagpapansinan at work or anything like that, so I'm super lucky in that sense, pagbibigay din niya.
How is love different for you now than it was before?
Super different. Super
Love
different.
that for you.
Super different. And I mean, super unexpected also that I'm with Echo. I mean, I never would have seen it coming.
Yeah.
Pero this is funny, but I wrote down a list of like characteristics before of like what I wanted my future partner to be like. And then when I met Echo, first time meeting him and hanging out with him alone, I was like, oh my gosh, siya lahat to. So
Oh my
feeling ko
goodness.
nag-work talaga yung like writing down.
So you're
like,
one of the girls who had
I
this
got
list.
to manifest.
Yes.
Yeah. But not even to find someone right away. I just wrote down a list so that I won't settle for any less. And then when I met him, I was like, wow,
This is
Jesus heard me.
everything.
Yeah, so working with him is super fun kasi we're able to shake off the heaviness of the story when it's packed up.
Panoorin ang buong panayam sa Almost Honest YouTube channel, i-click ang mga link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Please like and share ang video at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed, magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!